11. You have a pupil who is so talkative, naughty, and aggressive that he is a burden to the entire class. How would you remedy this problem? Will you, letter A, call the parents for a dialogue? Letter B, report the case to the principal? Letter C, reprimand him in front of the class? Or letter D, talk to him seriously and find out what's wrong? Okay, ano kaya yung tamang sagot sa number 11? Alright, again, shout out po sa lahat ng mga students natin, lahat ng mga classmates natin na first time lamang na nandito sa ating live stream. Again, we have our live stream discussions Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday nights, 7 p.m. po, 7 o'clock, Philippine time. So make sure that you tune in 10 minutes, 5 minutes prior to that. For you to be notified, make sure that you subscribe, you hit that bell button. So besides subscribe po na term dyan, sa right part po ng subscribe, tingnan nyo po yung bell button, i-hit nyo po yan, and choose all. So that means every time that I post a new video or every time that I post something in my community or I announce something, then you are going to be notified. Malalaman nyo po pag meron tayong video. So, minsan kasi yung iba sa inyo, nagtatanong paano ko po malalaman kung meron na live stream? Bakit po hindi ako na-notify? Okay, so make sure that you hit that bell notification and you select all. You subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you can, follow us and like us on Facebook. That's still Gurong Pinoy. Look for our official Facebook page. Marami na pong ibang Gurong Pinoy na pages. Yung iba po doon ay hindi po kami, okay? So make sure that it's the right Gurong Pinoy. It's the one with the 5 stars, okay? And it's the one with the most number of followers and likers on Facebook, no? Compared po sa ibang Facebook pages na meron na Gurong Pinoy din yung ginawa nilang pangalan. And also, if you can join Grow, then make sure that you also join it. It's very easy, very cheap to join. And I'm sending you a lot of materials in Grow. Okay, so for number 11, meron kang isang estudyante, very talkative, naughty, aggressive, na nagiging pabigat na siya. Okay, how would you remedy this problem? The correct answer, of course, would be, the first step muna, is to talk to him seriously and find out what's wrong. Okay, so siya muna yung i-approach mo, siya muna yung kausapin mo. Before ka pa mag-call sa parents, before ka pa mag-report sa principal, unahin mo munang kausapin yung bata. Do not reprimand him in front of the class. Reprimanding him in front of the class, that means pagagalitan mo siya sa lahat ng klase, huwag niyo pong gagawin yan, okay? If that's the case, sometimes po ay mas nagiging malala pa, okay? Nagiging malala pa yung estudyante mo. So the correct answer is letter D, talk to him seriously and find out what's wrong.